Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I set up my new flexispot standing desk. Thank you so much to flexispot for sending me out their standing desk to review and also show you guys, and I'm really excited, so let's get into it. So as I pick out the decor and the postcards that I want to put up on the wall, I will talk about the desk to you guys now. So if you are on a budget and a student like me and you really want a standing desk, then this desk is for you. It's really good for students, and I will leave all the details below in the description box. I opted for a 120 by 60 white desk top and a white frame. There are also many other colors that you can choose from on the website, including black, mahogany and maple. And you can also get a bigger desk size, but I didn't want it to be too big. In terms of building the table, it wasn't actually too bad. Me and my friends watched a few YouTube videos and fitted the table together. The frame is super heavy, so you have to definitely have people around you to help you because it's not doable alone. The table size is honestly really good, and there's enough space to study, put a laptop, books and even a monitor if you want, and I will show you guys later. If you follow me on my Studygram, then you will already know that I have a desk, and I showed it in the beginning of this video. But now I have two desks in my room, and I am really excited because it can get boring to sit on one desk the whole day and study for long hours. So it's nice to just have a backup desk which you can go to for a change of environment, and because it's a standing desk, it will hopefully help with my back pain so I don't have to sit all day on the chair. Also, having another desk is really useful because if I have a friend over, then they can sit on the other desk and study, and we can have a little study session together. So I'm really excited, and I'm really happy with my new desk. Okay, so this is the final look of my desk, and I'm just now showing you guys how easily it just goes up when you press the button, and I think it can go all the way up to 127 centimeters, and the lowest is 62 centimeters, but you can adjust it to your height, so there's no problem in that. There is also something I would like to quickly point out, and it's that when you have the table at its maximum height, the table does wobble a little bit, so you just want to make sure that you don't have too many things on the table if you are constantly going to be adjusting the height to the maximum. But other than that, I am really happy with the table, and I think it's an amazing table if you are on a budget. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave me a comment.